Hello, in this video we will see the types of PDF with respect to its object's nature. To work easily in WiseImage, we will divide PDF into two different categories. One is raster PDF, or you can say scanned PDF, and the other category will be vector PDF. The raster PDF source could be a scanner or a camera. So raster PDF could be a scanned document or a simple photograph that you can call raster PDF. The formations of raster PDF will be pixel. It could be black and white, grayscale or color. And the vector PDF source will be a different CAD software and other digital software. So those type of PDF will be vector PDF. We'll consider as vector PDF in WiseImage. So those PDF objects will have layers and the quality of the objects will be much better than raster PDF. So in WiseImage we have different PDF engines to deal with such different type of PDFs. Okay, so we'll dig further to understand the PDF engines in WiseImage in the later videos, right? See you in the next videos.